Hey karockers, this is Rocky and we're going to unbox a new Samsung Galaxy phone, the Samsung Galaxy A71. Samsung A71 phone comes with a SIM card since it has a business plan, and yes, as you can see, it is sealed by glue, and here's the bags featuring the visuals of the Samsung A71, which was released early this year. This phone is Prism Crush Black with 128 gig storage. And now, let us unseal the phone. So I'm not good in removing the stickers. Okay, I think I better use the scissor to remove the sealed, because this phone is actually properly sealed. Okay, after removing the stickers, we are now ready to open the box. So here it is, the Samsung A71 phone. So as you can see, it is Prism black. Okay, and there are plastic, and there are colors in it. When light strike on the surface, it reflects the color of the rainbows. So actually, this is one of the features of this Samsung A71 phone. Light turns to a rainbow when the light strikes it. And look, it has 4 circles representing the camera. Okay, and here's the front. The box, definitely there is a manual in it. Okay, so there's a manual, and here's the pin where you could use to open the slot for the SIM card and the memory. And yes, there is also the silicone case where you will use to protect your phone. So it is a transparent silicone case. And as I've said, this is a quick guide, a manual for you to start using the phone. So what more inside this box? So that's the warranty card. And yes, there is. And on the other part of the box, definitely there is a charger. Of course, this is the cord where you can use to connect with the charger. And okay, just like the other Samsung A series, this is actually a C-type. Okay, usually all the A series of Samsung uses a C-type, not the micro USB that we're used to know. So here it is, that black charger, a fast charger for our Samsung phone. Or our earphone that also color black. Okay. So this one. Okay. Here's a black earphone where you can use to enjoy your favorite music. And at the same time, this earphone has a microphone wherein you could use when you're making a call. So that's inside this box. So I think we already remove all the things in this box. And that's it, rockers! We already unboxed my new Samsung A71 phone. Sorry for that, I'm messy when doing the unbox. Oh, and here's the SIM card with LTE globe. So, we are unboxing. We're done with our unboxing for now. And I'll insert the SIM card and we'll navigate with the features of this phone. So, on my next video, I'll show you what's the features of this Samsung A71 smartphones. So, thank you, karockers, and hope you will subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, more unboxings, more reviews, and other interesting stuffs. See you all!